This is the Gyrojet rocket pistol. Let's see how its unique firing mechanism works. Pulling the trigger starts the firing sequence. The trigger bar moves rearward, transferring motion to the disconnector, and then to the sear. The sear is holding the hammer under spring tension. As pressure builds, the sear rotates downward, releasing the hammer. The hammer snaps forward, but instead of striking the back of the rocket, it hits the front, which sounds completely wrong. Because in most firearms, force is applied from behind, but here, the hammer actually pushes the rocket slightly backward. As the rocket moves backward, its base makes contact with a fixed firing pin. The firing pin doesn't move. Instead, the rocket drives into it, igniting the primer. And this is the exact moment where it stops behaving like a gun and starts behaving like a rocket. Inside the projectile, solid propellant begins to burn. High-pressure gases form rapidly and escape through angled exhaust ports at the base. These ports aren't straight, they're angled, which means they don't just push the rocket forward, they also spin it. As thrust builds, the rocket accelerates forward while rotating along its axis. This spin stabilizes the projectile in flight, eliminating the need for rifling inside the barrel.